y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake. Today I'm going to be showing y'all one of my go-to hairstyles, and that is this sleek and slick bun. This video is in partnership with Aussie. I love Aussie products and they are truly a part of my weekly and monthly hair routine. Sometimes I don't wash my hair every week. So I'm going to be using the Miracle Coils shampoo. This has macadamia nut oil in it, and this is specifically formulated for coils. Aussie does great shampoo and conditioners, and that's probably my most used type of product of Aussie. So for conditioner, I use a product from the Miracle Repair line, which is new. And this is the repairing mask with aloe. This line smells amazing. This is my top line specifically because of the smell, but this line is formulated to fight against damage, and I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes. I usually deep condition with any kind of conditioner, so I'll just leave it in for a few minutes, but this one is specifically meant to stay in your hair for a few minutes and rinse out after. One of the things that I was most excited for with the new collection from Aussie is the heat styling products, because I love styling my hair with heat. I think it works best for me, how I like my hair to look, and just in terms of keeping up with the routine. One of the newer products is the Miracle Repair High Temp Heat Protection, and this is a light spray mist, and this also is formulated with aloe, and it's just meant to protect your hair for up to 450 degrees. Today I just used a blow dryer, so I don't think it got that hot, but the blow dryer that I used does get pretty hot. I always keep a heat protectant in my rotation, and I'm very excited to be using this one, and it also smells good just like the other products in the Miracle Repair line, which is great. So finally, to get my slick back, I use one of my favorite products, and that is the Instant Freeze Gel. And this got brand new packaging this year. So this is the new Instant Freeze Gel, and it has a level 4 maximum hold and is made for all hair types. So I've used this for wash and goes, slick hairstyles, and it has enough hold for my hair texture, which is on the coarser, kinkier end of the spectrum. So I love this product. It's one of my favorite gels out of all options. I consistently use this one. And I did twist my ponytail to give it a little bit of texture since I blew it out, and today I decided to untwist it and put it into a bun so I can have like a super big bun. You could also leave it twisted and then just wear the twist in a bun. That works too, or we'll leave it down, untwist it and leave it into a ponytail. But I thought with my look today I would do the bun. So it's hot, it's humid here, I like my hair out of my face, and I'll definitely be doing the slick bun a little bit more consistently now that I took out my protective styles. So I'm very excited to be doing the slick bun look. This is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Aussie. They have a wide range of products, so you can pretty much find anything that you would be looking for, and it's gonna smell good and it's gonna work and it's not going to be too expensive. Feel free to use the link in my description of this video, and that'll take you to the retailers that you can find the products at. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.